Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 2 and we would like to explanation about the need analysis. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Diva Azara, MSc Moderator, and the member groups Citra Dewi to presenter 1 and Calvin Pratama Saputra the presenter 2. I would invite to the presenter 1, Citra Dewi. To Citra, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I'm Chitari, and I will explain about what is needs analysis. Need analysis is the process of identifying learners' need before developing learning materials. By connection and needs analysis, teacher can understand what students want to achieve and what difficulties they face. This information helps teacher prepare acceptable materials and create more effective learning experiences. The objective of needs analysis is to understand student needs, determine appropriate materials, and make learning more effective. For example, if students want to improve their speaking skills, the teacher can provide speaking activities instead of focusing only on grammar searches. Therefore, needs analysis becomes the first step before material development and leads to better learning outcome. Okay, next, the importance of needs analysis. Needs analysis is important because it helps teacher understand student actual needs. For example, some students may need more speaking practice, while others may need help with vocabulary or writing skills. It also prevents the use of irrelevant materials. For example, teaching advanced academic writing may not be useful if student mainly needs English for daily communication. In addition, needs analysis can increase student motivation because the materials match their interests and goals. Finally, it provides a strong foundation for materials development and help teacher achieve the learning objective more effectively. Okay, next types of needs. Three are two main types of needs: target needs and learning needs. Target needs refer to the goals learners want to achieve. In other words, the focus on what students want to be able to do in the future. For example, students may want to speak English fluently, achieve a high TOEFL scores, or communicate confidently during an interview. These goals help teachers determine the direction of the learning programs. Learning needs refer to what learners need during the learning process to achieve their goals. For example, students may learn better through video, group discussion, or practical activities, such as role plays. If a student wants to improve in speaking skills, they might need frequent conversation practice and interactive activities. Understanding these needs Understanding these needs helps teachers choose the most suitable learning methods and materials. That's all. Back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you to Citra. And next, the presenter to Chelvin Pratama Saputra. To Chelvin, times is yours.
Methods of needs analysis. Several methods can be used to conduct needs analysis. Questionnaire, collecting information from many students. Interview, obtaining detailed information from learners. Observation, observing students' behavior and performance. Test, measuring students' current abilities. And example 1. English education students. Results of needs analysis. Problems lack of confidence in speaking, limited vocabulary, fear of making grammar mistakes. Materials developed, daily conversation, vocabulary building, speaking practice, classroom expressions. And example 2, high school students. Result of needs analysis, problems identified. Difficulty understanding tenses, confusion in using grammar correctly. Materials developed, simple present tense, present continuous tense, grammar games, and interactive exercises.
Okay, the next slide, example 3, hotel employees. Result of need analysis, uh, the needs identified, the communicating with foreign tourists, and handling hotel reservation. And materials developed, greeting guests, hotel reservation, telephone conversation, and handling complaints. Next, the sample data analysis. Survey result from 20 students. Skill percent, the speaking 15%, listening 25%, writing 15%, and reading 10%. So, since speaking is the most needed skill, the learning materials should focus on oral communication and speaking practice. So the conclusion is needed analysis is the first step in material development. Learning material should be based on learner needs. Needs analysis help teachers select appropriate objective, method, and materials. Effective needs analysis leads to more effective learning outcomes. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.